Hi everybody, us again. We're back. It's been a little while, so we're happy to be back and filming another YouTube video with everybody.
Yay, welcome back, yay!
So what are we gonna do today?
We are going to be doing a custom built 30-minute sister based off of a kit that we have. Does that make any sense? Maybe, maybe not.
We say custom, I think, loosely because this kit has a lot that comes with it already. Yeah. There's very little that you're doing in terms of the build compared to what comes into the box.
Yeah.
So this kit, as soon as I saw it, I was like, she's a maid.
We don't have one yet.
We
have a lot of girls. We don't have a maid.
Maids. I know maids exist. I think they might be Koto maids. Yes. This is a Bandai maid.
Yes, it is. Yeah.
So I was like, okay, so it's a 30-minute sister. We absolutely love the 30-minute sister line.
Yes.
We love the 30-minute missions line. We're excited for the 30-minute fantasy line.
Yes, I love them already. I see all the pictures. We have a few. I absolutely adore them. They're amazing.
So with this particular kit, the fun thing about this is everything is included except for the hair and the face, which gives us as the builders the opportunity to choose what hair and face we want on our little Maido.
Yes.
The custom quote-unquote 30-minute sisters that we built so far are just body kits.
Yep.
You get just the torso. So I had an example of one before. It's a little swimsuit. Don't judge us, please.
Don't judge.
So she came in a little bag, and it was just the swimsuit. So you also needed to get the arms and legs. You also needed the hair and face and everything else. So you're picking like body part by body part, very specific.
Very
Whereas
much
this one,
Frankenstein's monstering it
absolutely. Whereas this one is, it comes with almost everything that you need. So this is very exciting.
Yeah. Yeah. So it's pretty much just the moneymaker that we're missing on her. So.
Yeah. And we get to choose which moneymaker.
And we get to pick, and we have so many options to show you guys, so it's very
They're
exciting.
all laid out here, so let's show you guys what we're looking at. So this is what we're working with. Get your little fingies in there. We're still here. When it comes to 30-minute sisters optional kits, there are so many out there. So we wanted to give you an idea of what we've kind of collected over the 2-3 years that we've been building.
Yeah.
And why we have so many floating heads and floating faces.
Please don't judge us. We just love to collect.
We're collectors!
Yeah.
Whenever we build a 30-minute sister, they normally have 3 different faces that you can choose from within the kit. So over the course of 30-minute sisters that we built, we've collected a lot of extras up here.
Yeah.
Some of them will also come with blank faces, and you can get sheets like this one where it has eyes, mouths, blush, and things. Let me zoom in a little bit and try to...
Oh, the glare.
There we go.
Oh, that's good.
This is the best we got.
There we go.
So that you can kind of pick and choose the eyes that you would like, looking in different directions, different colors, different
blush.
Expressions.
They have like band-aids. They have like angry marks, sweat marks. It's cute. You can really like go in if you really want to.
With blank faces, this is kind of what you're looking at. And then maybe I'll scoot these guys down. Bit a bit and make them maybe not blurry. Beep. These are optional hair sets. Also built some of them previously and put them all over here.
I like this one because it looks kind of like me. There's a bunch to choose from. There's a bunch of different styles. Honestly, whatever you like or want, it probably exists.
With a kit like this, even though she comes with her body, arms, and legs, there's also boxes like this that are optional body parts. So there's different skin tones you can choose from. If you wanted to take her maid outfit but change the skin tone, you'd be looking for a box like this.
Do you have one that you're currently drawn to?
For face or hair? Because I absolutely, have a preference.
For both. I want to see what your preference is. What are you thinking for...
Okay, hear me out.
Okay, I'm listening.
So for a maid, I think this box does it well. I picture like a smug, sassy kind of face. Instead of going for the cutesy vibe, I think I'm going to go more of a smug, sassy.
Okay.
So with that in mind, I was drawn towards this one.
Very cute.
That had darker eyes. He's got the beauty mark, which I think is very common in
That's super
maids.
Cute.
And kind of the thinner eyes compared to something like this that's a little bit more cutesy, larger eye. I think I'm leaning towards
the doe eyes.
Something more like this one.
Yeah.
I also think that these decals are a little bit too large for me if I'm going for this style of look.
Well, what hair are you trying to match with this?
I think I would go for longer hair.
Do you like the dark?
I like this one. My concern with this one is, as you can tell, I hecked up something because she's missing a hairpiece right here. So I plastic cemented it right before we started filming, but I'm not convinced that it's gonna work.
I'm thinking, hold on, let me poke around in here for a second. I kind of just like this. I kind of just like a blank, sleepy kind of like...
Sleepy vibe?
Sleepy, happy.
Which hair would you pair with her? If this is the one you're working with.
If she's sleepy, she kind of has to have like bedhead, so almost like, I don't know if this is the color I like. Maybe the little buns or this one.
This is very similar, but a different color.
Yeah, I kind of like the hair sticking out. It kind of reminds me of like, oh, she just rolled out of bed.
Yeah. So you're thinking that hair or this box here?
Yeah, maybe this one because it's a bit more neutral rather than like the bright color.
Okay, so get these ones out of the way.
But yeah, I'm thinking maybe this one with like the sleepy idea.
So I think the next steps for us then would be to put together the body, and then what we can do is we can try on the different heads that we like and see kind of which one fits her the best once we've got something to put it on and see how it all fits together.
Yeah.
Okay, so let's get to building. These are the runners that we're working with. Her torso is so cute. There's 2 different options to choose from here. Let me change this so it's a little easier to see. I think I like the pointy one here. I definitely think pointy skirt was the play. Look at her! The little bow accent is so cute. Time for the leggies to come together. Oh, kitty coming through. Big man, keep her moving. Thank you. Leggies. Oh, do you like it too big? No, 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 no! Big man, I know you like her, but I gotta put her together, sir. And then all she's gonna be missing is gonna be the headpiece. Please don't eat the broom. Please, no eat broom. Should it go upways or downways? Upways? Broom. Now all she's missing is the head. So let's get Peanut's opinion. And I did go ahead and update the head that you were looking at. So let me zoom in a little bit. Enhance.
Enhance.
No,
nope, other way. Other way.
So this is the face and the hair that I was looking at. Oh. Cotton gave me a little touch of support.
He's like, ooh, I like that one.
Yeah, I think Cotton's voting for this one.
Yeah.
I once again broke her hair. I have plastic cemented it about 4 times now, and I'm losing my shit. So
yeah, that's
I don't.
Fair. Okay, I get it. I get it.
Something might have to be done about this.
Yeah, I do like the face you picked. I do like it a lot.
This is your sleepy face, and I built the brown sleepy hair.
Very cute.
So all this body is missing is a head. Excuse me, random floating piece of hair.
Yeah.
Get out of here. There's also a little Maid headpiece for whichever head is chosen.
That is so cute.
Behold. Does this change your opinion at all?
I mean, it's all cute. It doesn't matter which one you pick. I think that's the beauty of, like, this whole idea. You cannot go wrong with whatever you choose.
She does look very cute.
She's adorable.
As soon as you put it on the body, it changes everything.
It just completes it. Look at her. She's so happy.
Her black hair plus her black uniform, you kind of lose it in this area. So I think I prefer the lighter, shorter hair.
I gotcha.
Because you don't get this kind of overlap here.
Mm-hmm.
Maybe if she had long hair of a different color, I just feel like you're losing some of it.
Yeah, that's true. Where are some of the other heads that we had?
In the banished head bag.
Into the banished head bag. Let's try on a couple.
Okay. I like the updo. The ponytail for
That's
this
really
is
adorable.
Very cute. Do you want to try all of these?
I just want to see.
I don't
That's
think I like
adorable.
the flat hair.
No?
It's a little too... It serves younger. It's giving me younger.
She's not of working age
She's not
yet.
of working age. Angry? This is you as a
That's
man.
me.
This is 100% just Peanut.
That is me. I would be angry. I'm always angry. That's my secret.
Oh.
Ah! See?
Excuse me, ma'am.
Look, as soon as you put my head on.
Yeah, she starts breaking.
Yeah.
I like this hair though, because this is like neater hair. This is very
tidy.
tidy. I like both of these. She would require a face. Excuse me, decapitated head.
Excusez-moi. Oh, she needs her hat.
So
Lock her
the
in.
beauty thing about this kit though is we could keep changing the head every day if we wanted. All in all, the build experience and the articulations are the same that you would expect from any 30 Minute Sisters kit, so there wasn't any differences that I noticed. Aside from the neck being white, I didn't realize that her maid uniform went all the way up too.
Yeah, it's very...
But we have a billion extra necks if we ever wanted to swap it for like a skin colored one. That is something that, because we have so many extra parts, we could just make the swap if we wanted to.
She's gonna be such a cute addition to the waifu
I
shelf.
can't believe we didn't have a maid before now. That is the most shocking thing to me.
Here.
The pose
She's
is
so
so
welcoming.
cute. Oh my god,
Look.
welcome to our home.
She's like, welcome.
And she's like,
Welcome back.
busy working, sweeping.
I cleaned everything for you. Dinner's made. Go have a
I've
bath.
drawn a bath.
Yeah,
I love that pose. That's very cute.
we can put her in the shelf.
She will care for the waifu shelf, and she
Yeah.
will be their maid.
Yeah. Dude, I love her.
Building 30-minute sisters in this style, I think I would do more often, where you can
Go again?
mix and match and make something that suits your style and your tastes.
Oh yeah.
Would do again, 100%. Thank you so much to Plamo for sponsoring this video, the official Bandai distributor in Canada where we reside. Thank you everyone for stopping by and hanging out. We appreciate it.
Bye bye.
See you next time.
Bye bye.